Hey guys, welcome to DJ and ES setups for the evening and for tomorrow, August 6th. I'm on Dow Jones first right here. I'm on a 4-hour chart right now, and I'm gonna pop out something real quick to show you. This is just a bull flag that's been developing over the past few weeks since the start of July, and now we are in August. This is the support. You can see multiple tags right here. This is the resistance, multiple tags. We sold from there. We bounced from here. So clearly very important pattern right now. I would say this is bullish in general. Let's see if we can test the top of this bull flag. That'll decide the next step if we can get there. If not, there could be a failed breakdown of the support, a failed breakdown of this low, and that could set up the next long, maybe even as low as this low from June. So now let's go to a 15-minute chart and talk about the setups that I see. I do have a lot of setups potentially because of the action, but that's a good thing. So the first thing I would say is a dip and recovery of this level. So this yellow line represents the middle of that bull flag. You can see we set a couple lows here. One could already argue that we're in the process of a mini failed breakdown at the start of the open at 6 o'clock. You can see the lows set here. We dipped below a little bit and now we're off. If we don't hold this low, then another dip below and recovery of these lows would be a potential failed breakdown for sure if we're not already going up. If we do go up and don't have any more setups, these minor levels could be a decent resistance. However, this level right here should be the target, and that'll be the next reclaim on the top side. Now, if we don't go up, if we don't stay over here, if we go below, the next setup is a failed breakdown of this clear low from Tuesday morning. Very simple. Ideally, we can tag as low as here and then reclaim above. Now continuing to go down, we have a clear cluster of lows on this support resistance level right here. So we can dip below that and set up a failed breakdown, ideally as low as here, maybe even as low as here, and then recover. That will be great. Keep on going down, it gets a little bit more dicier. So the way I would approach this setup is if we don't get down below these lows, then it would be more of a dip and recovery at this level zone, because it's so many lows in one area. I don't want to say that we're only going for this one specifically. So that would look something like having price, maybe whatever we're doing, come down and ideally tag this level and then reclaim the level above. Very simple. Although there's a low here, I'm looking more just for these levels to abide. This is almost 70 points, 60 points below. So at that point, I am looking for some type of long, at least level to level. Ideally though, if we keep selling, then we can get a failed breakdown that goes maybe even as low as here, and then that reclaims this low from Friday morning. So lots of good setups on DJ. Let's go to ES real quick and break that down. Same setup as I said for Dow Jones. We have a couple lows set here, 1 and 2, arguably 3, and then we dip below and then we start the process of reclaiming it. This green line will represent a mini trigger for a failed breakdown right here, targeting 63.33 one more time, and then that'll be deciding time. If we do go down below, a simple failed breakdown of this morning's low is right in front of us. If we can't get that, then it would be a failed breakdown potentially as low as here for the Monday morning failed breakdown. If we can't dip below this low, or we do dip below these lows, then a dip and recovery of this 63.05 could be potential, or maybe it could tag here and then recover this low to be a little bit safer. Below that, you're looking at a failed breakdown maybe of these lows or a retest of this zone in general. If we get down there, be cautious because we could be selling pretty hard.